Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be comparing two of the best video conferencing apps, Zoom and Microsoft Teams. And whether you're working remotely, hosting meetings, or collaborating with a team, choosing the right platform is the key. And starting with Zoom, as we have all heard about Zoom, during the lockdown of COVID, it became a little more famous. So Zoom is basically known for its easy-to-use interface, high-quality videos, and smooth performances. It's great for webinars, virtual events, and large meetings. Plus, it also offers features like breakout rooms, whiteboards, and meeting recordings. But the downside is the free plan has a 40-minute time limit on group meeting, meaning that once the meeting starts, it can only last for 40 minutes, considering you're using the free plan. Comparing with Microsoft Teams, which is designed for mainly for business collaborations. If your company already use Microsoft 365, Team is like no-brainer. It's very easy to understand. It basically integrates all the Outlook, OneDrive, SharePoints, making it ideal for file sharing and team chats. The downside, if I have to talk about, is that it is a steeper learning curve than Zoom. So if you'll ask me to compare these two, I'll say if you need a simple, reliable platform for meeting and webinars, Zoom is the most easy choice to go for. But if you're working in a corporate environment with deep Microsoft integrations, then obviously go for Microsoft Teams because you have to keep things a little bit professional. And with that, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching it.